The first thing I do is I prime my eyes. I use the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. And for this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm going in with a shadow called Chaser. And then I go in with a all over the crease shadow. I'm going to be using Sauced, and I mix it with Low Blow. I'm going to be diffusing that with a fluffy brush, and one of them is from Wet n Wild and the other one is from Sonia Kashuk. So all I'm doing is doing circular motions and windshield wiper motion, because that's like the best way to blend out, to have like an all over crease look. So I want to blend that out really good. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow. I'm gonna be mixing two of them, is En Fuego and Ashes. And the reason why I have to mix the two, because I noticed that Ashes is not really a pigmented shade, so I have to mix En Fuego to kind of have like that deeper burgundy kind of look. So after I'm done applying that onto the lid, I do mix with a shadow called Cyan, and I take a BH Cosmetics blending brush and I blend that into the crease along with the other shades like Low Blow onto the crease. Now I'm going to be taking eyeliner to kind of tight line, because I'm not going to be doing a wing liner. And what I do is I just tap over the eyeliner so it's not too harsh of a black, so that way you can kind of mix the eyeliner with a different color if you don't have any other color eyeliners. I use a little bit of mascara to coat my lashes, and if you want to just skip the lashes, you can totally leave it like this, but I'm gonna put on lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna be taking the Shop Sofie Bella lashes in Havana Heat, and now I'm gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna color correct my under eyes. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and this stuff is like really good. And for foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and I use a flat top kabuki brush from Just Up. I'm gonna conceal using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm also going to be taking a beauty blender to blend that out. And I do go in with a lighter concealer, because when it comes to taking photos or having a smoky eye in general, you want to highlight your under eye. And I'm going to be also setting that with a MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in light, and then I'm going to be taking some translucent powder to set the concealer. I'm going to bronze up my face with the e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer palette in Bronze Beauty, and I'm going to show you guys what shade that I do use to kind of just bronze up, but then I do take another shade with a different brush from e.l.f. and I want to just chisel and contour precisely onto the cheekbones, and I also contour my nose. I'm taking this blush by MAC, it's in Blush Baby, and for highlight I'm going to be using the Colourpop Gimme More Pressed Powder Highlight. I'm using two shades, Extra and Upgrade, and I'm going to be highlighting in the points of my face where like is naturally going to glow, like around the top of my brow, my cheekbones, and I do add a little bit onto the chin. So I'm using this eyeliner from LA Girls Cosmetics. It's their gel liner in black, and then I'm going to smudge that out with the shadows that I did apply onto my eyes. I do coat my bottom and top lashes just to coat it a little bit. Whatever powder did cling on to the lashes, I try to cover that up. So I'm taking the setting spray by MAC to set that makeup. And for the lips, I'm gonna be using two products, Dose of Colors with collaboration in Desi, Perkins, and Katie lipstick in No Shade. And then I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in Fenty Glow. This is the finished look. I hope you really like this look. I love doing this kind of eye look because it brings out my eyes a lot more. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.